Advanced storytelling layouts stand out when frames guide both direction and emotion. Today, how to design advanced storytelling layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames in a diagonal or zigzag sequence to create movement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or muted tone. Add thin connecting elements like lines or arrows with reduced opacity. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce variation while maintaining balance. Use position tools to align everything while preserving flow. Add minimal captions using a modern font.